Sumakabilang buhay na si Akira Toriyama ang lumikha ng kilalang manga comics na Dragon Ball. Ang malungkot na balita ay sinapubliko ng kanyang production team na Bird Studio kahapon March 8. Ayon sa kanila, noong March 1 pa talaga pumanaw si Akira dahil sa acute subdural hematoma. It's our deep regret that it still had several works in the middle of creation with great enthusiasm. Also, he would have many more things to achieve, saad ng kanyang production team. Pagpapatuloy pa ng team, however, he has left many manga titles and work of art to this world. He has been able to continue his creative activities for over 45 years. We hope that Akira Toriyama's unique world of creation continues to be loved by everyone for a long time to come. Anila sila na ang nagbahagi sa publiko bilang maiwasan na rin na ma-interview ang pamilya ukol sa pangyayari bilang pagbibigay respeto sa mga ito. Sabi pa ng Bird Studio, following his wishes for tranquility, we respectfully inform you to refrain from conducting interviews with his family. Dagdag pa nila, future plan for commemorate gathering is not decided. We will let you to know when it's confirmed. We deeply thank you for your understanding and support as always. Nakilala si Akira sa kanyang gawa na Dragon Boy na eventually at naging Dragon Ball noong 1984. Huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-ring ang notification bell para sa latest at legit chika updates.